Hey everyone, welcome back to Travel Explore Healthy Kitchen. Today we're making a refreshing and nutritious drink that's sure to brighten your day, the Carrot Ginger Glow. This vibrant juice not only looks beautiful, but is packed with amazing health benefits. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need for this delicious juice. Fresh carrots. These are rich in beta-carotene, which supports eye health. Borracho with a fantastic anti-inflammatory that boosts your immunity. Apple. Adds a natural sweetness and is great for digestion. Lemon. A zesty kick that enhances flavor and provides vitamin C. Turmeric. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, it's the perfect addition to this glow juice. Let's get started on our Carrot Ginger Glow. Here's how to make it in just a few simple steps. 1. Wash and prep. Start by washing your carrots and ginger thoroughly. Peel the ginger, and if you like, you can also peel the carrots for a smoother texture. 2. Chop. Cut the carrots and apple into smaller pieces to make blending easier.
Juice. Add the carrots, ginger, apple, and a squeeze of lemon into your blender.
Don't forget to add a teaspoon of turmeric for that extra health boost. 4. Blend. Pour in about a cup of water to help with blending. Blend everything until smooth. 5. Strain. Optional. If you prefer a smoother juice, strain it through a fine mesh or cheesecloth. There you go, our juice is ready. Look at that gorgeous color. The vibrant orange is not only eye-catching, but also a sign of all the nutrients packed into this drink. For a final touch, garnish with a slice of ginger on the rim of your glass. It adds a lovely aroma and a little flair. Now let's talk about the benefits. This Carrot Ginger Glow is fantastic for supporting your eye health and boosting your immunity. The combination of ingredients works wonders for your body. And now, for the best part, the taste test. Wow! It's refreshing, slightly sweet, and has that perfect zing from the ginger and lemon. You're going to love it. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes. Let me know in the comments how your Carrot Ginger Glow turned out. Until next time, stay healthy and keep glowing. Bye!